Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to make video call on this device. So of course Google Pixel 10 Pro does not have a native FaceTime application, which is exclusive to Apple devices. However, you can still make a direct video call from your device. And for that we'll need to use Google Meet application. So you want to open phone application on your device and you want to go to list of your contacts by tapping view contacts, or additionally you can tap this menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and select contacts. Now you want to tap on specific contact that you want to video call like this, and then you will need to press video button over here. As you can see, it tells me that I'm calling someone who cannot receive calls. Share Meet link instead. So I will press this button, create and share Meet link, and then I can use any application that is convenient for me to share this link with that person. But of course I can just copy this link using this button and then insert it to the application that I need. But additionally, you can create a video call directly inside Google Meet application, not using your phone application. So we want to open Google Meet application that has this yellow icon. Now in the bottom right corner of the screen you want to press new button, and then you will need to select contact or phone number. You can use this search bar at the top to find needed contact and simply tap on the person that you want to call and then press this call button. So that is basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.